picture new role. Count Pierre de Batil, better known as the Dueling Cavalier.
What's this one about?
It's a French Revolution story.
Oh, I've got it. You are a French aristocrat. She is a simple girl of the people, and she won't even give you a tumbler.
It's a living.
Why even bother shooting this picture? Why don't you just release the last one under a new name? Once you've seen one, you've seen them all, right?
Why did you say that?
Say what?
That's what that Kathy Selden said to me that night.
3 weeks and you're still thinking about it?
I can't get her out of my mind.
How could you? She's the first dame who hasn't fallen for your line since you were 4.
She's on my conscience.
It's not your fault she lost her job at the Coconut Grove.
Yeah, but I've got to find her.
Well, you've been trying, haven't you? Short of sending out dogs in a posse.
I suppose so.
Come on, Don, snap out of it. Can't let a little thing like this get you down. Why, you're Don Lockwood, aren't you? Don Lockwood's an actor, isn't he? Well, what's the first thing an actor learns? The show must go on. Come rain, come sleet, come snow, come shine. The show must go on. So remember, short people have long faces, and long people have short faces. Big people have little humor, and little people have no humor at all. And in the words of that immortal bard, Samuel J. Snodgrass, as he was being led to the guillotine, make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh. Don't you know everyone wants to laugh? My dad said be an actor, my son, but be a comical one. They'll be standing in line for the role of the shines. Now you can study Shakespeare and be quite elite, and you can charm the critics but have nothing to eat. Just slip on up and peel the world at your feet. Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh. Make 'em laugh, oh, make 'em laugh. Don't you know everyone wants to laugh? My grandpa said go out and tell 'em a joke, but give it plenty of hope. Make 'em roar, make 'em scream. Take the ball, bust a wall, split a scene. You start out by pretending you're a dancer with grace. You wiggle till they're giggling all over the place. Then you get a great big custard pie in the face. Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh.